Welcome to Visalia Kia, and here's a look at another great pre-owned vehicle from our huge selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with navigation, genuine leather seat trim, Sirius XM satellite radio, ventilated front seats, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, auto high-beam headlamp control, heated rear seats, heated door mirrors, outside temperature display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. At Visalia Kia, our #1 priority is you. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to help, whether you're purchasing your next vehicle or simply servicing your current one. As a leading Kia dealer in the Central Valley, Visalia Kia has a large selection of vehicles for you to choose from, and each of our pre-owned vehicles undergoes a rigorous inspection and reconditioning by our factory-trained mechanics to ensure the highest quality vehicles in California. Stop by Visalia Kia, conveniently located at 825 South Ben Maddox Way in Visalia. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.